I have the book Soups and Drinks for Remedy by Kiyomi Ishizawa, and I'll share a drink recipe from it to help you fall asleep. I love this drink as it turns out it's not only a good nightcap, but it's also great as a virgin cocktail. Not only do I love its ingredients, but I love how simple the instructions are. Mix all the ingredients together and keep it in the fridge. When you drink, pour 5 times more water to dilute, but I usually add more water to drink it easier. When I use raisin, I often use it as a sweetener, so I decided to start by using only raisin and no other sweeteners yet, and waited for a half day to taste it. I was right that raisin alone can be enough of a sweetener. The vinegar was sweetened and got a milder taste. This is about 25 grams. I usually don't peel ginger skin, but for this drink, I like to remove skin as it floats in your cup. At least 3 tablespoons. For this time, I'm using rice vinegar and adding extra ginger juice. Instead of 30 grams of black sugar called for in the recipe, which is equal to about 3 tablespoons, I used 1 tablespoon honey. That was enough for me, but you might want to add a little more. I also have another recipe that I tried with stevia and honey. Just to note, apple cider vinegar makes this drink more fruity. By using rice vinegar, you can turn this to a more ginger flavor forward drink. So I finished adding all my ingredients. By the next day, the raisin will soak up the vinegar and plump up. I like mixing with sparkling water when it's a hot summer day. However, as for the sleeping remedy, it's meant to be served with hot water. If you enjoy sour drinks, you would like this. I was planning to have this drink for a sleeping remedy. Instead, I started drinking this when I'm feeling a little hungry. Eating minced ginger and acidic yet sweet berries is quite satisfying. I have provided 2 of my tested recipes under the video description in case you like to try out. I hope this drink will help you get a good night's sleep.